Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of the ToBeGlam All Glitters Polygel Kit. I've seen a couple people use this kit and the colors I thought were so beautiful, so I decided to order it. And then because of the colors, I decided to do a Care Bears nail set with the stickers and rhinestones I got from Shein. And these are the 6 colors here, and I'm gonna just swatch each color real quickly. This first one is a beautiful blue color with a lot of glitters. And these were so easy to work with. The consistency was perfect, wasn't stiff, wasn't runny, just so nice to work with. So I'm definitely gonna order the other kit. That's just the pastel colors. So yeah, very beautiful colors. So I'll let you just watch the rest of the swatching. So now I'm just going to be cleaning up my cuticles. This bit I'm using here, I saw on Kimmy Beauty's channel, and she was saying how gentle it is and how good it worked, so I had to order one. It's from Amazon, and I'll link it down below. It is really good, so gentle, and it does an amazing job. So now I'm just going in and sizing my tips. I'm using the long sculpted square nails from Nail Couture. I really love these. They're a perfect length for me. I do want to try the extra long ones, but these turned out to be really good. So yes, my ring finger is still the nail's trying to grow out. I did mention it in my last video where I did my set that I banged my nail and it's still trying to grow out. So now I'm just gonna go in and prep my nails. I'm going to dehydrate my nails, apply Young Nails Protein Bond, and then apply some base coat. I know my voice sounds a little weird. My nose is a little bit stuffy today. So now I'm going to be applying the Polygel. I'm going to do the Lazy Girl method or Femi Beauty method. So I'm just laying the Polygel in the nail tip. And then I'm just going to be patting it, making sure that I cover these side walls so you don't see any of the clear. When I have finished placing the polygel on the nail tip, I'm going to place it on my nail and go ahead and flash cure it for a few seconds. I really like this little curing light. It's from Beetles. It's from their little like a prey dupe method set. I really like it. You just press on it and it turns on and it stays on for about 60 seconds. So now I'm just going to apply all the polygel, different colors to each nail. Once I have all the tips on, I go ahead and cure my full hand for 60 seconds. And I'm just going in with my hand file just to crispen up the shape. And I'll also go in with my sanding band just to go around the cuticles and clean up any polygel that seeped out. And then I'll also go ahead and buff them too. Now comes the fun part, putting the nail art on. So I'm using the Care Bear stickers I got from Shein. Also the rhinestones and those hearts up there are from Shein, so I'll link those all down below. And I also did a video of my Shein haul. The only thing about the rhinestones is I should have put top coat, because I don't think they're not real crystals. They just have like a layer of like holographic stuff on it, and it started to fade, so next time I'll just top coat them. But I'm just using the Macart rhinestone glue, placing the rhinestones there, and then I just flash cure them, and then I went ahead and put top coat on to seal in the stickers. I really like the Apres top coat, that black one. It's really good. It sealed everything in really good, didn't have any problem with the stickers lifting. And then once I put the top coat, I go ahead and place the heart at the tip of the nail. This is the finished look. I absolutely love the way they turned out. So pretty and colorful. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them. I'll definitely be using these polygels again. They were so easy to work with. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.